Ate Chi, go.
Hello! Thank you, super saya. Grabe, ang saya talaga. As in, nag-video kami and everything, and it feels good kasi nagkaka-gel na, especially with the new members. And I'm very glad, more than keeping the Rang family bigger, mas marami din na nakakatulong sa lola't lola natin. So hopefully soon, mas marami pa tayo to have, to extend our love and care to them. And thank you so much sa lahat ng tumulong, especially to Ate Edge, Ate G, Ate Zane, sa Jane, at ang dami-dami nila sa Phoebe, sa Janet, si Luis, sila, and many more, and dami nila talaga, and especially to Anawim, thank you so much. At sa lahat ng nag-text, sumusuporta, especially during the event, thank you so much. Parang kasama rin namin kayo. Hopefully soon, magkikita-kita rin, and pray always. Take care and God bless po.
Yung mga nakausap mo sa phone.
Yung mga nakausap ko sa phone. Ate Mer, you sound so tired. I hope I hope you're good very soon. If you're sick, I hope you get well soon. And, sino po? Si Maki. Ate Maki. Baka pag-usapan na Ate Maki. Thank you so much for calling. Sana magiging tayo soon. Ate Liza, hello po. I know you're busy with your work. Kasi parang may dumating ata sa na parang client or somebody else. I hope you're doing fine. I wish you all the success. And, sino po ba? Si Ethan. Thank you so much for calling. Parang bagong love team na kasi nag-iingay na sila kay Ethan. Well, thank you so much for calling, and nag-aaral ba si Ethan?
Yeah, not sure.
Not sure. So I know mag-aaral ka. If ever nag-aaral ka, study hard and pray always. And to everybody, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Naglaro talaga sa
Super game na kinareer ko ang eggplant na may tansan. At saka yung video natin na talagang
abangan yung video.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.